Fermentation. How do you make kombucha? Fermentation is a process by which energy can be released from food molecules in the absence of oxygen. Fermentation occurs in the cytoplasm of cells. This is glycolysis. And the alcohol fermentation, half, and the lactic acid fermentation on this half. So first is the stage of glycolysis, same as before, converting glucose to 2 pyruvic acids. Same steps. And the 2 pyruvic acids are used in 2 stages. Under anaerobic conditions, fermentation follows glycolysis. During fermentation, cells convert NADH, produced by glycolysis, back into the electron carrier NAD+, which allows glycolysis to continue producing ATP. Yeast and a few other microorganisms use alcohol fermentation that produces ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. This process is used to produce alcoholic beverages and causes bread dough to rise. The chemical reaction is pyruvic acid plus NADH. So you're adding the NADH to this process, you're adding energy, and you get alcohol, ethyl alcohol in this case, carbon dioxide, and you return back NAD+. Most organisms, including humans, carry out fermentation using a chemical reaction that converts pyruvic acid to lactic acid, and that's within our own body. The chemical reaction is pyruvic acid, that portion of the glucose, plus NADH, so use 2 NADHs to produce NAD+, and lactic acid. How do you best prepare for a big sports game tomorrow? For a short, quick bursts of energy, the body uses ATP already in the muscles, as well as ATP made by lactic acid fermentation. For exercise longer than 90 seconds, cellular respiration is the only way to continue generating supply of ATP. So, eat wisely to store complex carbs and protein. And for hibernating animals, like these bears, they rely on stored fat for energy when they sleep through the winter.